Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the language on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 with your smartphone using the Mi Fitness app. Now once you connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 with your smartphone, you will sync the language of your smartphone with your Smart Band 10. Now to change the language on your smartphone, just open the settings and search language. Now just tap on language. Now go to language and tap on add language. Now just select any language on your smartphone. From here just select set as default. Now just go to your home screen. Now just open the app drawer. Then open the Mi Fitness app on your smartphone. Now just tap on device, then tap on sync. Now as you can see, this is how you can change the language on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now if this did not work on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 on your smartphone, just make sure you remove the Mi Fitness app from the recent apps section. Then go to settings and change the language. Just like that. Now once you change the language on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Mi Fitness app. Then go to device and tap on sync. And as you can see, this is how you can change the language on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.